Purchase your tracks today.
Hi guys, this is Aunty Pat's kitchen. I'm trying to show how I'm going to make a Nigerian African special soup, which is okra, bitter leaf, and ogbono. Prepare with turkey and chicken. Special. Here is my chicken and the turkey inside the pot. So I'm boiling them now. You see, as you can see, I'm cooking the turkey and the chicken. Here is the chicken and here I have bitter leaf. I'm going to add it to my hand washed bitter leaf, fresh hand washed bitter leaf. So I'm adding it inside now. Then I stir it. You see, it's giving it a flavor and make it taste nice. So first I put my pepper, add my pepper to the chicken and the turkey inside the pot. In the pot there I have turkey and the chicken. So now I add my red oil to it. Red oil. So I have my oil inside, oil, pepper, and the bitter leaf. So then it's time for me to put my ogbono. Here is my ogbono. This is a ogbono, 70 grams of ogbono. So all is in now. So I just stir it. Just stir it so that it mix together. That's the ogbono. Wow. Ogbono soup, bitter leaf, and the okra with a turkey and the chicken. So here I have bitter leaf inside and ogbono inside. So and pepper and the chicken, everything is cooking as you can see. So now I'm going to add my salt to it. This is salt. And now I'm going to stir it. So now I'm going to add my okra. So this is a fresh okra. I just slice the okra. I slice it, then I mix it up with my blender. I chop it with my blender, much easier. I blend it, chop it with my blender. So that's how I have it like this. You can see. So this is fresh okra, which is this okra. So they're going in now. There we go. So I hate having it watery. You don't have a stick together, so I keep messing it. So I hate to have too much excess oil. So you can see. That is the turkey, chicken, OGBONO, okra, bitter leaf soup. So now I'm going to add so the fresh one out, the not on the chopped one. I just put them in because I love to put them inside. That's where they all go in. So here I have my mango cube. I'm going to put them inside. Meanwhile, I have my water in the pot to make a pounded yam for the okra OGBONO bitter leaf soup to go with it. Delicious. So this is the last Maggi cube. I'm going to open now and add it to it. So I stir it again.
Purchase your tracks today.
How slimy it is. You see the texture? Can you see, guys? So I just leave it to steam together, cook together. So we finish with this one now. So I test the soup to see if the salt is enough. I'm testing it. Very nice. So that is the okra OGBONO soup with bitter leaf, chicken and turkey. So I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to make the pounded yam now. I have the time to make a pounded yam. So here is my pounded yam. So I'm going to use this to I put the pounded yam now. So I'm going to keep stirring. Keep stirring. It's a little bit too thick. I'm going to add a little bit water to it to make it to use it to cook. Yeah, so I keep mixing it. So you can always add more water if you feel it's too thick until you get the texture you want, how you want it. And if it's too light, you can add more pounded yam to it if you feel it's too light to make it thick. Then if you feel it's too thick, you can add more water to it.
Purchase your tracks today. Bite your chest. Kill this beat for me.
Beautiful, nice and beautiful. And then
Purchase your tracks today.
the pounded yam is finally ready. Remember guys, I said it's special homemade ogbono soup made with bitter leaf, okra and ogbono. So it's ready now with turkey and chicken. Here is the pounded yam and the ogbono soup ready to eat. So then we have water to wash pan. So I'm washing my hand. I'm going to show you how I eat it. You see, can you see the texture? Very smooth, very nice and lovely. I wish you guys can come and eat with me. Wow, can you see? Can you see guys? That's what. Come and eat with me guys. It's very nice. You can see? I can't stop eating. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and comment, subscribe. Catch you in my next video. It's too sweet.